like to be the first to welcome you here to New York's John F. Kennedy Airport. The current local time is 1:35 p.m. We here at Delta do care about your safety as well as the safety of those seated around you. So we ask that you remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has turned off the plastic seatbelt sign. When he turns the sign off, then you know it's safe to get up and check around your sitting area for any belongings you might have placed there. We would like to caution you when you open the overhead bins, please do take care because items can shift around in flight. We wouldn't want anything to fall out and hurt you. For those of you that might need information about connecting flights, ground transportation, or baggage claim, there'll be a passenger service agent waiting at the end of the jetway to assist you. If you wish to use your cell phone, you may do so at this time.